Don't be afraid to watercolor. This is the primary word to learn watercolor painting. This is my request. Sometimes people say, where you are sharing only heart and bushes and all that. My answer is very simple. Look, this is primary. This is primary learning process. If your primary learning process is okay, then you can go for the secondary and higher secondary education. If you know how to handle watercolor in a basic landscape, after 1 or 2 years, when it will be very comfortable and habituated with you, this is my promise, you no need to watch my video once again. There will be so many tutorial, so many landscape reference photograph. You can go for outdoor plein air, you can do your watercolor very comfortably. But the problem is the first primary step of watercolor. Many people leave watercolor that point only. They don't understand, they don't get that actual flavor, how much water they have to use, how much white space they should leave. That's it. I am here with all these particular techniques. Thank you.